Welcome this video. How to decoration along cover patio, transforming your outdoor space along cover patio often a versatile outdoor area perfect for relax entertainment and enjoy nature with the right decor and thoughtful design. You can transforming this space into a choosy, functionally stand of your home. Here are inspire idea to decoration your patio will make the most of its size and cover. Focal point. Start by identifying the main purpose of your patio. Is it's for dining long and entertain. A focal point that serves this purpose. Dining area. Center a long dining table with waterfall chair. Add a chattering depend light for a relaxed touch. Long area. Create a set arrangement with outdoor soft chair and a coffee table plant. It's a fire pit or outdoor range in the range in the mid of the group space.